Sometimes, if you want to change a man's mind, you have to change the mind of the man next to him first. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The World of Awareness, and it's me, Riyaz Ahmed here. Everyone dreams of a perfect life, a life which all of us design. Yet, for most of us, our dreams never materialize as we keep struggling with various issues. And that makes us stress and feels that you're playing a script which is written by someone else. What are the most pressing areas of your life? Is that money worries that keeps you awake at night? Is that health that troubles you? Is that the workplace which gives you heartburn? Note down all those issues. Be very specific and write down your thoughts about those issues. Now tell me, what's holding you back? Many of us may be tempted to blame anything, starting from your lack of time to your family roles and responsibilities, to the economic situations of the world, COVID and lockdown, or even about luck. But there is one thing probably you have not considered, which is likely contributing to a great deal to your stuckness, which is your social influence. You take thoughts and characteristics of those people around us unknowingly. Think of those people to whom you spend most of your time with. Your spouse, your family members, your co-workers. Chances are that these people have a high influence on your actions and your decisions. Now, don't get me wrong. They are well-meaningful people and they wanted to see all your success. But their actions and behavior can have a big influence on your reality, much more than you realize. And the reverse can also true. You influence other people's behavior also. That's why the famous success guru Jim Rohn said, you are the average of 5 people you spend most of your time with. It's not very difficult to see our attitudes and behaviors are affected by the company which we keep. For example, if you like healthy foods, but your associate like junk food, you are most likely to take junk food too. If you are always with people who are gossiping, the chances are that you may be participating in gossiping, even if you don't want to do. If you are with people who are risk averse, the chances are that you will buy the idea of security. But instead, you are always with some adventurous people. That is too likely to reflect in your decisions. If you want to change some aspects of your life which you think are not reflecting in your deepest desire, then it's the time to review the company you keep. I'm not suggesting you to resign all your friends or divorce your spouse or stop interacting with your co-workers. No, definitely not. But what you can do is to observe the influence of other people in your life, particularly those areas which you feel that they will hinder your progress, and stop interacting with those people on that particular aspects. The ancient wisdom says that you have friends for a season, for a reason, and for a lifetime. Some of our friends will spend their entire life with us. Others may come and go. It's okay, because they wanted to come to your life to teach you some lessons which you wanted to learn. Ultimately, we need to realize that some people will suck the energy out of your life, but some people will give you energy and bring life to your lives. It's our ability to make choices about the company we keep that determines the success of your life. So, always aware of what type of company you keep, what kind of friends you have. See you in next video. Till then, bye.